We're going to work on some tips around positive reinforcement. One of the things that I feel as a dog trainer and dog walker that is commonly overlooked is giving a dog reinforcement after you've asked a command of them. For example, if I were going to ask Peony to sit down, I would follow through after she had sit down by saying, "Good dog. Peony, please sit." "Good, sit. Thank you, P. You're such a good girl." And when they perform well, you don't always have to give treats. You can do positive reinforcement by just giving kisses and love. Make sure that you follow through with that because it reinforces your language with your animal. Another thing that people often overlook is touching their animal when they're acting negatively. For example, if you walk into your home and your dog jumps up on you and you really don't want them to, but you're so excited to see them and you touch them, you're giving them positive reinforcement for a negative action. And so it's very important when your dog performs in that way that maybe you cross your hands, walk off, go get a glass of water, and wait until your dog calms down to give them kisses and love and touch. Another thing that animal owners and handlers tend to forget is exercise. Oftentimes people think because they have a large property and the dog runs free all day, the animal is getting enough exercise. However, it's important to understand the activity levels of your pet. Some pets are okay laying around all day. Oftentimes though, people have pets that don't match their activity levels and they have to figure out if their pet needs to walk 1 to 5 miles a day in order to be well balanced and less likely to come in and destroy your property because they're not bored and they don't have anxiety. It's really important to have a well-trained and balanced animal. Not only is it helpful for you as the handler and the pet owner, but it's helpful for the pet and its longevity of life, and you'll be saving on property damage, which means you likely will get your deposit back. And anytime we get our money back is a good thing, right?